Your punches are sharp, your defense is improving, but why do you still feel clumsy and off balance the moment you start moving? It's because you've built your entire fighting system on a broken foundation. In this video, we are not just fixing it, we are demolishing the old foundation and rebuilding it from the ground up with 5 essential drills. First, we find the cracks in the foundation. A broken stance is an unbalanced one. You are not a tightrope walker, you are a tripod. Your power and stability come from a wide, solid base. The drill. Stand in your stance. Your feet should be shoulder-width apart, with your back heel slightly raised. Now have a partner gently push you from the front, the back, and both sides. If you stumble or feel easily moved, your stance is broken. Widen your base until you feel like an immovable tripod, rooted to the ground. This is your new baseline. Now that you are stable, you must learn to generate power from that stability. Amateurs throw with their arms. Pros throw with their entire body. Your hips are not a joint. They are the trigger for your rifle. All power is rotational, and it starts from the ground up. The drill, the ground up rotation. Stand in your stance. Without throwing a punch, practice pivoting your back foot and rotating your hips as if you were throwing a straight right. Feel the power travel from the floor, through your leg, and into your hip. Then do the same with your lead foot and lead hook. You are training the engine of your power, separate from the punch itself. If you're here to build a complete system, not just learn a few moves, hit that subscribe button. You're in the right place. You have a stable, powerful platform. Now you must learn to move it without breaking it. A fighter doesn't hop, a fighter glides. Every time your feet leave the ground, you have 0 power and 0 defense. You are a target. The drill, the box drill. Place 4 cones in a square. Start at one corner. To move forward, push off your back foot. To move backward, push off your front foot. To move left, push off your right. To move right, push off your left. Use small, shuffling glides, never letting your feet cross or come too close together. This is how you move like a professional. Your platform must also be your shield. A stiff, rigid stance makes head movement impossible. Your head should never be on the center line. The drill, the slip line. Tie a string across the ring. Stand with the string running down your center line. Your job is to move up and down the line, constantly using your legs and core to slip your head from one side of the string to the other. This forces you to integrate head movement into your stance, turning it into an active defensive shell. Finally, we combine everything. You must be able to punch while moving without breaking your foundation. Every punch you throw is a step. Every step you take is a punch. They are a single, unified action. The drill. Shadow box with one thought in mind. Every time your hand moves, a foot must move. Throw a jab, your front foot glides forward. Throw a cross, your feet pivot. Throw a hook, you pivot out. You are hardwiring the connection between your upper and lower body until it is a single, seamless fighting machine. Balance, power, movement, defense, and integration. These 5 drills are the blueprint to rebuilding your weapons platform. Stop letting a broken stance steal your power and make you vulnerable. Build it right. Which of these 5 drills are you going to add to your routine this week? Let me know in the comments. If you're ready to build a truly solid foundation, subscribe now. And to see how this all comes together, watch my video on how to fix your footwork problems right here on the screen. It is the perfect next step. Train smart, stay ready.